11's early bird offer. How you can grab this offer? The early bird offer allow you to join 2222 rupees before 11 p.m. on 30 September 2070. This contest is joining only India versus Australia 5th ODI. Okay, and the private league not you can do for it. Firstly, deposit to 22 rupees deposit. You need to deposit 22, and if you need to deposit other ones, if you don't have enough money to play 200 to 222, then you can deposit more, but first you need to deposit 22 at least. After you join 222, the next day I mean next when the India versus Australia ODI 220 starting there, by 6 October 2070 you will get 2222 rupees free entry. Exactly. There is no matter if you win or lose 222, there will be you are conformly we can say that there will be you can get 2222 by India vs Australia first 220 6th October. Okay, so let's play.